Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for north central Ventura County and southwestern California until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, streets and low water crossings as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include western Lockwood Valley Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.